Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share another entry to my challenge. I had opened this up and something happened to my video. It did not record everything I had recorded. So I'm redoing this again, and oh my gosh. So I received this package yesterday. I was gone the whole day. I was going to do a live feed yesterday and totally forgot about my son's field trip. I was with four boys. They drove me ragged. Keeping an eye on my child is enough, but when you have to keep an eye on four boys and they do not listen and they just want to do what they want to do, and I'm trying to keep them safe, and I told one of them that I'm I just want you to be safe, and I don't want you to get lost and this and that anyway. So I was pretty dang tired by the time I got home. It lasted from 8:30 in the morning to almost close to 6 o'clock in the evening. And I watched some of Sierra's live feed and also some of Judy's live feed, and I didn't even complete each one. I was so tired, I could not stay up any longer. I had to go to bed. Woke up, bright and early, 5:30 in the morning, about 5:40, I guess. And I feel better today. So I had opened this package before. It's from Durinda Rowe, and her YouTube channel, let me see here, is Creative Moments with Durinda, and I'll link her channel down below for everybody to go check her out. And it came in this beautiful, beautiful packaging. And I'm going to try and salvage this in some of my projects. I'm going to, I don't know, make flowers or do something with it. I'm going to think of something. So the first thing I opened was this beautiful card that she made me, and it says fabulous, and I love this die. I don't know where you got this die. If this is a Heidi Swapp die, it looks like her handwriting. Please let me know where you got that die. I would really like to purchase one. So this beautiful paper. God, I said that twice or three times. I love it. Is that Prima? That's probably Prima. It's gorgeous. She has some bling flowers, which I love, and it's pink. I mean, I can't go wrong with, and it was all nicely in these envelopes, pink envelopes. Lovely rosette trim and some lace on the bottom here. And as you flip it up, she didn't write inside. She wrote a little note. Look at this paper. Look at on the other side of this paper. It is gorgeous. And she has some more lace trim on the bottom here. I love it. It's so pretty. And the little note says, "Dear Tereese, thank you so much for such a fun challenge. I have not made an index card before, but I love trying new things, and I hope you like it." OMG, this is your first time, Dorinda? Girl, you did a fabulous job. So here is her beautiful IC card, and it is starting to like teal. And I know it's a shabby look, and I don't know, pink and teal
Is so pretty. I love it. She has a layered ticket in the background here. This beautiful piece. What collection is this from? It's gorgeous, and the bird on the paper, and these cabbage. Is that what cabbage flowers or cabbage roses? I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. These look like Prima flowers. So I'm thinking this is a Prima collection.
It's gorgeous. OMG. It's so wonderful. And I love this trim all the way around. I like how you coordinated the card with the IC. That is such a great idea. I try to do that sometimes, but it doesn't always work out that way. So it's so beautiful. It says lovely. I think this is a chipboard piece. And there's a butterfly. It's so gorgeous. Thank you, Dorinda. Yeah, so her name is Durinda Rowe, and her YouTube channel is Creative Moments with Durinda. Birthday is September 25th, and my birthday is 4 days after that. So I'm not sure if we're both Libras, but I know I am. She gave me her email address. Her favorite colors are purple, pink with brown, teal with purple. I love it. Her favorite style is vintage, shabby chic, and steampunk. Well, that's mine too. And I don't create a lot of shabby chic, but I love vintage and steampunk the most. Favorite crafty tool is paper trimmer and heat gun, and she uses them the most. So thank you so much, Dorinda, for your beautiful entry. And then in this little bag, this little pink bag, it was all tied up with this beautiful, in this beautiful ribbon, I mean lace, and oh my gosh. I don't know if I can bend down. And it was all wrapped up in this pink cellophane, which I'm saving. And in this little bag, there was these lovely goodies, in which you do not need to do. Um, I appreciate that. I don't have any appliques, so this is going to be treasured because I do not own any. And this pink doily, but I love everything. Here's some little, I think wood veneer um, owls. Goodness, I can't think. These beautiful buttons. Oh my gosh. These would be beautiful, and some centers of some flowers. Love them. And then these beautiful appliques, which I do not own. And she is so generous to give me some. I don't know if this came from a dress or a blouse or a wedding gown, you know, and then she so nice to give me some cream doilies and this adorable pink doily. I don't have anything on here, this color. So thank you so much, Dorinda, for this beautiful package and your beautiful entry. I really appreciate it. Thanks everybody for stopping by this week. Hopefully I'll go live maybe today or tomorrow. So keep an eye, look out for that. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.